Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Job and I'm rebuilding an old bunker boat into kind of a liveaboard steamboat, even though she will have a diesel engine. The boat is called Omala. She was built in 1976 and I bought her in 2018. In this video I'm going to make some vents on the boat to make sure fresh air can get into the boat to remove any moisture. And I will start making a vent for the future kitchen that the fume hood will be connected to. So that's what I will get started on today. So I have a friend that's fixing up a wooden boat for a customer just besides Omala here. He has a tent where he's doing that, and he needs a hand with putting copper rivets in the hull planking. So I'll gonna give him a hand with that. I'm quite pleased with the end result. Turned out pretty good, I think. I made it so it's in 2 pieces. So in the future I can paint the inside of it as well, because it's all made in black steel or in mild steel. Of course, in a perfect world, I would have liked to have had like a stainless steel chimney hat, but I don't have any stainless, and I could have bought one, but they're actually quite expensive. So black steel it is. So in the future there will be a kitchen on this side of the boat, and then the fuel hood will be mounted underneath here. Last week I made these vents out of galvanized piping. It's 2.5 inch piping, and these will make sure fresh air can get into the boat and moisture can get out of the boat. I did a little trick on these where I cut them in the right shape, of course, and then I put the area to be welded in hydrochloric acid to remove the zinc. That made it easier to weld them and much healthier for me as well. And then afterwards I coated the inside in paint. It's not the prettiest work, but just so it won't rust. And I thought I might explain a little bit on how I think these vents should work. I made 2 types of vents. This one is for mounting in the deck, this one for mounting in a wall. So the steel wall will be here. It's 2.5 inch galvanized piping, so I can put normal PVC fittings on it to extend it on the inside. And here is, well, of course you can close it with this cap. But each compartment there will be a living space. I want 3 vents. One for blowing in fresh air with a fan and a timer, so maybe once a day it will turn on to get fresh air in there. And one where the air could escape from. And then there's one to get fresh air into the living space itself. So each room would have several of those. So yeah, I'll start putting actually these 2 in the deck now. Got all vents installed on the back of the boat now. There's now in total 6 of them. There's just 3 left to do on the front deck. I'll do that later today. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and do give me a thumbs up and a comment below. I very much enjoy reading them. See you in the next video.